Today we're going to talk about grout. Typically, no one thinks about grout, but the reality is grout is very dirty. Grout can harbor and hold a whole range of dirt, filth, viruses, bacteria that are odor producing. And I'm going to demonstrate through a series of exercises on how dirty grout actually is. So this small section in front of my kitchen sink was swabbed about 3 days ago and placed into a petri dish, and we had ended up culturing God knows what's in there, but there's some live organisms that grew in this dish that came off of just this small section in the grout line. So now this is just one test that we're demonstrating to show you how filthy grout actually is.
So here we have a device called an ATP meter. It stands for adenosine triphosphate. It's actually a device that measures the light emissions off a living organism. It's commonly used in the food industry to determine how safe or how clean surfaces are. So I'm going to demonstrate through this swab. I'm going to slide it across the grout line, enter it into the machine. I just know from experience, my initial swab, it's going to be off the charts, at least 200 or more. So the idea is to demonstrate how dirty the grout is initially, get a reading on it, and then I will demonstrate a clean grout surface test to show just how big the difference is using Genie pads. Today we are testing Bona's premium microfiber floor mop pad. Let's start with cleaning the tile surface with the microfiber mop pad and solution included in the device. After the initial clean, we collected a sample of the grout line and placed the sample in our testing device. And as you can see, the test failed with many microorganisms living in the grout. We have now added our patented grout brush to the microfiber pad and will clean the tiled floor with our Genie Pads brush. And we place the mop pad on the floor, aligned with the grout line, right in the middle for the grout. Unfortunately, like the microfiber pad, most pads have a flat surface that push the dirt and grime into, the grout channel instead of expelling them. I just demonstrated Bona's premium microfiber floor mop pad. It does a great job at cleaning floor surfaces, but only when applying our patented Genie Pad brush can you clearly see a large amount of dirt and grime has been removed from the grout line. Let's finish this exercise by measuring the grout using our meter. The results are in, and we can safely say that Genie Pads did a far better job at removing all sorts of unwanted biological organisms, as well as displacing a previously untouched mass of dirt and grime. Don't live with filthy grout, use Genie Pads.